Hi, thanks for watching this video. Got a Audi S3 here. This is a 2008, but it's a late 2008, so it's a facelift. So it's got the nicer facelift lights. It's on a 58 plate. It's got full service history. The clutch and flywheel were done at 65,000. Just recently had a service with brakes all round. It's got Michelin tyres all round, 2 keys, HPI clear. So we have one of these that we have as a track cars, as a pre-facelift, so very capable car. All the details of the car, the history, spec, etc. will be on the advert. The video is just to give you an idea of what the car looks like in the flesh. There will be quite a lot of photos on the advert as well, and we don't Photoshop any of our photos, so they're all of the actual car. So it's a bit more practical than the Sportback 5-door. It's got flat bottom steering wheel, sat nav. They all come with xenons. Climate control, heated seats. We can offer part exchange and finance. 12 months MOT, of course. And as I say, it's just recently been serviced. So if you've got any questions or would like to know anything else or want to arrange a viewing, just give us a call or drop us an email. Thanks again for watching.